Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. In front of me I have Hama 7020 watch, and today I'm going to show you how to factory reset this device by using the system settings on it. Factory reset could be useful in cases like if you want to sell your watch to somebody, give it away to somebody. Also in some rare cases it could be basically used to try to fix some issues on your watch. So let's say something's not working. Restarting it doesn't help. You could try to factory reset the watch, and that could potentially solve your problem, but that I would call it a last resort because you lose the data and settings from your watch if you factory reset the watch. So that would be like a last case scenario, I would say. Okay, and I'm going to show you how to factory reset the watch. So let's get started. So to factory reset our watch, we need to wake up the screen, then press the upper button to confirm, or not confirm, by to open the menu, my bad. Then scroll through the menu, look for the settings icon and then tap on it. In settings, look for the option called the system operation and tap on it. And here you should see the option called reset. Select it. And as you can see, it will remove all of the settings and data from the watch. So be sure you want to factory reset the watch, and then you can tap on the check mark, tap on it again, and wait until the process is complete. And once you see the list of languages on the screen, it means that the factory reset is complete. And that's how you factory reset this watch, by using the system settings on it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video. And see you in the next one.